Before we get into today's video, I have an announcement. At 10,000 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. It's a mystery giveaway. You guys aren't gonna know what's in the package when I send it to one of my subscribers, but trust me, you are gonna want it. Also, if you guys can maybe actually watch the video, that'd be very helpful. I need 4,000 hours, 4,000 to get monetized on YouTube. And right now I'm at like 16, so I kind of need more than that. So if you guys could watch the video and help me get monetized this year, that would help me out a lot. Unless you don't enjoy it, then in the comments write something that I need to improve, because I'm always trying to improve my videos. But anyways, on to the video. Hop on our bike and head down to my neighborhood pond. Now, it just rained and there are some huge fish in my pond. I've caught quite a few 4-pounders, one that maybe was 5. Man, it just stormed, so I went out to my pond hoping to catch something. We're gonna use this giant 7-inch plastic swim bait. And this pond, it's notorious for big fish, even though it's super tiny. But I don't know if they were gonna go after something that's 7 inches. Over there by that dam area has so many big fish. I've had at least 3 on over 3 pounds. The water is so high right now. Look at that, because it just stormed. Oh my gosh, my shoes are gonna get soaked. Anything for some fish, I guess. Oh, there's just a fish. Oh, a fish just tried to hit it. Oh, did you guys see that? Oh, he just got hit again. Oh my gosh. Come on. Oh, they hit it. Oh no, it's starting to rain. That's not good. This rain. I'm not even, oh, no. Oh, he had it. Oh, I'm gonna get it back out there. Oh my gosh, they're destroying it right here. Man. Come on. I've had 3 hits and like 6 casts. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. You see that? He hit it. Oh my gosh. It's just waiting till we hit one now. They're hitting it. Come on. I mean, they're eating, clearly. Man, that's insane. Okay. Well, I think we can come back to that spot later. Maybe they'll be back. But they're hitting it. They just won't fully attack it. I don't know why. I think we go over here for now. It is so cold. It is freezing. If it was like this weather, but like 70, 80 degrees out, just like 10 more degrees out, I think that a lot more fish would be hitting. But it's just cold. I've never caught anything down here on this shoreline, but over there on that one, so many fish. This pond I've never caught anything big from though. Just doesn't seem to have any true monsters, but maybe I've just never encountered one. Maybe there is some big ones. Fish on! Yes! Let's go! Look at that. Nice 1 pounder. Right in the freaking mouth. Nice little 1 pounder. Let's go! First fish of the day, baby. That means they're eating. Means they're eating. Now, not the biggest fish to start off the day, but I'll take it. I'll take any fish. Especially right now with the rain and just, oh man, that's a bad cast. Just the rain and everything. And, oh man, it's starting to rain hard again. I swear. Every time we come down to this bank, it just starts to rain. Here. Don't want to lose my lure in this tree. Oh, there was a fish right there. Ooh, oh no! Dude, I saw him on the lure. I saw him follow it. Oh, come on. Dude, I saw him follow it. That's why I stopped. Whoa, 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 whoa. You see that? No, I had him. No. Fish on. Oh, it's big. Come on. Fish on. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Come on. Come on. Oh, he's barely hooked. He's on like 1 hook. Come on. Come over here. Come on. Come on. Dude, he hit it twice, I'm pretty sure. That's a fish that jumped. No, oh gosh. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Look at that. Oh. Look at this. That's a nice high 2 pounder. No, that's 3. That's gotta be 3. Oh my gosh, let me get the hook out. Oh, I thought he was barely hooked. He had 2 on him. 2 treble hooks right in the bottom lip. Look at that. That's so cool. He is fat. This might be, yeah, this has to be 3. The overestimate, but yeah, we're just gonna go say 3 flat for this fish. But look at the mouth. And he wanted it. He attacked it twice, I'm pretty sure, because there was a fish over there. I saw him splash. So and then he attacked it once, and then he came after it again after he missed it. He was hungry for something. Man, look at that. That is so good, so cool. All right, we're gonna give him a nice release. Look at that, there he goes. Let's go, baby. First good fish of the day. We're gonna be out here some more. All right guys, we're back. We are taking off this lure. We're replacing it with this. I think this has a better chance at catching some fish right now. This is a great lure, but I don't believe in it right now. So I'm gonna put this one on instead. I think this has a real shot at catching something big. Honestly, I think I might just take one cast real quick right here, see if there's anything. Oh, I forgot that this place has so much moss. I'm gonna cast out deeper then. I'm gonna throw it out deep. That's a good cast. Don't tell me that. I think I just got moss on that cast, like right when it hit the water. Ooh! Yes, I have one. Stay down. Stay down. Come on. Oh, how am I gonna land him? Come on. Oh my, it's not a bad fish. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come on. Yeah. Let's go. Oh my, he's gonna be in some of those weeds. Oh my gosh, it's not a bad fish. Ooh. Baby, I thought I had moss on that cast. This might be, that was barely hooked. That was barely hooked. This is a nice 2.5 pounder. That is super nice. Look at that. Now, man, I'm gonna move the camera up so you guys can get the release. Look at that, man. That's what we've been wanting. Maybe this lure is good. Alright, well, I had to like jump down for this. Things I do for fish. Ooh. Wow. That's nice. Oh, shoot. Come on, I need to get down there right now. There's a freaking huge one. Just jumped. Was that a duck? I think so. Seriously, oh yeah, that's a duck. I'm trying to get down here. Dude. I might just go down this bank though and oh my gosh, come on. Oh, it's not bad at all. Oh my, he's fighting so weird. Let's go. Come on. I don't want to flip him. Oh, let's go. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, he's so long. This is... Boy. Look at that. That's like 3 pounds. Again, he's barely hooked. Look at that, barely hooked. I don't know how he was staying on. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is such a nice fish. Oh, that is such a nice fish, man. This is such a nice fish. Whoa. Don't shake. Okay, I'm gonna get my camera in the water and we're gonna... That's so cool. Ah, straight moss in this pond too. Down here, This is really good. At least most of the time. Not really good as in you'll catch a 5-pounder, but like normally I do catch at least one fish down here. Not the biggest. I've never caught something probably over 2 pounds on this side, but I don't really care because fish is a fish. That's a good cast. That might be a fish. Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh, it's big. Why did I say that? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Come on, stay on, stay on, stay on. Stay on! Don't jump! Oh my gosh! No! No! Oh my gosh! Stay on! Stay on, please! Oh my gosh, I can't. How do I land this? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Come on! No! No! No, he came. Oh my! Dude, I didn't want to. Oh my! No, that was huge! But I didn't want to flip him because I don't have the strength line for that. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Whoa, that hook set was immaculate. And he just comes off right at the, oh no. Ugh. Yeah guys, it might be time to pack it up. No. And the GoPro's not even gonna do the fish justice. It's gonna make it look so small because we didn't get it in. Oh, that is so maddening. Oh my gosh, that thing was huge. I literally said I've never caught anything over 2 pounds. And that's what man, that's so I can't flip that fish without it snapping. Oh, I just got hit. Man, that's just, man. Oh, another big one. Come on, please stop jumping. Please stop jumping. Oh my gosh, this thing's like destroying my, oh my gosh, this is like 3. Come on. No. 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 Every time. Oh my god, I'm done. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is where we're calling it. We're calling the video. The video's done. I'm just, oh my. This pond's never delivered anything above 2 pounds. And I've twice, oh my gosh, are we freaking kidding me? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so, oh my. No. 2 in a row. Not in a row, but 2 in this pond. Oh my gosh. That is unfortunate. Well guys, this might be the biggest fish of the day, huh? It can't end like this, man. I need my redemption. I need my big fish. So nice about these trees is it's open. You get your hook on it, it won't snag. It'll just come out the other end. Oh, no! Oh, I'm done. Dude, that felt big too. Last time, yeah. Ooh! Come on. Sit down, sit down. Oh, this is huge. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh, what is this? Is this just tiny? Oh, it's not tiny. He's just hard. No! No way! Come on! No, this is like 30 pounds. Stay down. Stay down, boy. Oh my gosh. I'm taking him on a journey. I'm trying to land him. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. Let's go. This might be one we actually land. Come on. Let's go. Look at him. Let's go. Let's go, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my word. Oh, absolutely destroyed him. Oh my. Dude. Let's go. Look at the mouth. I mean, the camera makes it look tiny, but I tell you what, this thing's big. Look at this mouth. All right, we're gonna, don't shake you, boy. We're gonna release him. I said we just, he's gone now. There's just too much moss over there. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. We finally got our fish, man. Oh, that's so nice. That feeling is so amazing, bro, I tell you. Well, guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.